Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's tap on software information, and here we have to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which I've just recorded. So after activating, just go back to this left section and scroll down again to find the developer options. Now all we have to do in this right section is to find this option, Auto Update System, and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. Basically, from now on your device is allowed to apply the update whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to really manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will basically have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.